Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more updates. Today we are explore an amazing topic of Photoshop, how to create shoes release posters using shape fusion. Create a new canvas for the shoes release poster, then draw a shoe silhouette using custom shape. Insert laces and sole details with smaller shapes, then apply gradient overlay for realistic coloring. Group shapes for organized editing. Add background shape to highlight the product. Insert text layers for shoe name and launch date. Align shape and text using Smart Guide. Apply soft drop shadow for depth. Duplicate highlight shapes for symmetry. Refine gradient transition on all shapes. Merge layers for a clean poster base. Insert